Today, I want to tell you about one of the best digital upgrades that I have made in my digital life and why I wish I would have done it sooner. And it's about passwords, or more specifically, autofill. You know the little browser pop-up that comes when you want to log into something and it says, do you want Chrome or Safari to save, your password information? I used to always click yes because it was fast, it was convenient, I didn't have to think about it. But here's the thing. At that time, I didn't realize autofill is not a system and it's a shortcut and not always a safe one. About 5 years ago, I received a notification in my Chrome browser that my that my login information and passwords were vulnerable. It was a huge wake-up call, and I realized that I needed something more secure. So I started researching and I came across LastPass. LastPass is a password manager that is encrypted, uses a vault to store all of your login and password information. I'm going to take you over to the website here. So again, it is a password manager that will create and store and autofill passwords for you. It's encrypted, it's easy to use, and one of my favorite things about it is that it has a password generator. So I don't have to, make different configurations of the same password from high school in 30 different ways and try to remember them. It is basically a home for all of the random logins that you use for your everyday digital life. So here are some of the top reasons that I love LastPass. Again, it generates those unique passwords for each login. I only need to remember one master password to get into the platform. I can organize my logins into folders. I can access it from my phone or computer, which is super nice because when I'm on my phone and I'm trying to log into a website or an app, it automatically autofills on my phone as well. And it feels calm, like I know where my passwords actually live, which ultimately is the whole goal of trying to organize our digital lives, right? So if you have been relying on autofill for your passwords, don't worry, you're not alone, but autofill is not the best avenue for organizing your passwords. And I really encourage you for a 7-day challenge for this video to check out LastPass and create one of their free accounts. And just kind of, look around and see if that platform would work for you to begin organizing your passwords. And if you're like, ooh, Caitlin, that seems really overwhelming, I don't even know where to start. Again, all you have to do is create that account. And in my next videos in this playlist, I'm going to walk you through how to actually organize your passwords and organize them for good. So as always, thank you so much for watching. And if you want to organize your passwords, I will see you in the next video.